What's up, guys? Alright,
Uh,
we're 1v1ing Pizza Guy LOL. It was my first ever YouTube video.
hey, I wasn't ready. Sorry, I wasn't ready.
Bro, you monkey! Alright, so we're gonna 1v1 him. It was his idea, cause my channel is completely dead. Next Fearless. I missed that?
Yeah,
Alright, so it's gonna be like first to 3, cause I don't have much this space. We were both on mobile,
This video,
and now he's on
this video gets like,
Xbox and I'm on keyboard, so.
if this video gets like more, let's see, 200 to 300 likes.
That's not gonna happen. I won't even get that much views, bro.
Bro, leave me alone.
1-0.
Leave me alone.
1-0. 1-0.
No, it's